Connecting with flowers and nature, soaking into nature. Over the weekend, aspire to find a way to connect to nature. And we can do this in so many ways. As you walk, connect to the sky. Keep your awareness above. As you walk, connect to the vastness from the sky. Connect to the different shades of the sky blue, the clouds, and begin to sense the light and vastness from above. And if your mind is asking how, we gently trust. We keep walking. Observe our breath. And then gently begin to connect to the sky. And then see what emerges and be with this experience. Soaking into nature. Observe the green in a plant or tree. Observe the different hues. Maybe stay at a spot. Just observe the sway of wind in the tree branches. Focus on the shadow that the tree gives. If you see a neem tree, stand below that and observe the healing properties from the tree. Notice the tender leaves' colors. Notice the dried ones falling. And stay with the greens and the tree. All the while connected to your breath and connected to the nature. Connecting with flowers. What do we mean by connect? Simply being fully with the flower. So as you walk or as you go about and you see a flower, there'll be some flowers that you feel called for or resonate. You'll feel like going and seeing the flower. So go next to the flower. Take a few seconds. Observe your breath. And connect to the flower. Connect to different parts of the flower. We don't need to pluck it, but we can even sometimes just be next to it. Start observing the stem, the petals, the stamen, the different colors. Spend some time with the center of the flower and observe what quality does that flower hold, and become one with the flower. Begin to connect to the nature of the flower. And then allow that nature to flow through your body. It's a connect and a conversation and an absorption. Stay with it. Then gently thank the flower and conclude the practice. You can do these any time in the day, but make it a practice to do it at least once over the weekend. If you don't have too much of nature or flowers next to you, you can even connect to pictures of flowers. Connect to the center of the flower and repeat the process. Likewise, multiple pictures or videos of nature. But we immerse into the quality, we connect with it as we see it. Soak in nature, nourish your senses, and connect to the inner and outer beauty, abundance, and grace. Thank you.